Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Reddit account permanently to remove your profile and all associated data, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to reddit.com, then log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. Step 3. Select User Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the user settings page to find account management options. Step 5. Click on Deactivate Account at the bottom of the page to begin the deletion process. Step 6. Enter your Reddit username and password when prompted to verify your identity. Step 7. Check the box to confirm that you understand your account cannot be reactivated once deleted. Step 8. Provide a reason for leaving Reddit from the options provided, or enter your own reason. Step 9. Click Deactivate to permanently delete your Reddit account and remove your profile from the platform. Step 10. Note that once deactivated, your username and all posts will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.